we're expecting some bad weather in Edmonton with some snow grains and turbulence, low visibility and low ceiling, which is going to be interesting. All right, so we're going to do the T-tag to arrival into Edmonton. We know that the runway in use right now is runway 12. Threats, we're going to have the turbulence, we're going to have the icing, low ceiling, and as well as the precipitations.
Check.
It seems to be changing quite a bit. So it was snow grain, then it went to snow.
Edmonton Center, good afternoon. Nolinor 515 is flight level 310. Cleared to 290 and ready. Information, whiskey.
Nolinor 515, Edmonton Center, good day. Descend 10,000, Edmonton altimeter 2936.
2936, we're cleared to 10,000 feet. Nolinor 515.
Nolinor 515, not sure what whiskey's showing, but runway 02 only at the moment.
Okay, can you confirm it's 02 because we were told only 12 is available?
It is currently 02 only. They just closed 12.
Okay, sir, we'll go ahead and prepare for 02 Nolinor 515. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right.
All right, we just started descent into Edmonton. Latest weather is completely IFR. We're down to RVR 2600 with 1 mile of visibility. We're still able to shoot the approach, and we should see the approach lights at minimum. Drifting snow and, yeah, heavy winds. See you on the ground. Edmonton arrivals, good afternoon. Nolinor 515 is passing flight level 197 for 10,000 feet with Yankee.
Nolinor 515, Edmonton arrival, hello, runway 02, it is information Yankee. The RVR, runway 02 is 3,000, light setting 5. You can turn right direct Vigby and clear the approach on our runway 02, Vigby transition.
Okay, RVR 3000 is copied. We'll turn right direct Vigby, and via Vigby we're cleared for the RNAV Zulu runway 02 approach in Edmonton. Nolinor 515, thank you. Edmonton Tower, good afternoon. Nolinor 515 is established on the RNAV Zulu runway 02.
Nolinor 515, Edmonton Tower, good day, runway 02, wind 040 at 11, altimeter 2936. RVR for runway 02 at light setting 5 is 2,600 feet. Continue number 1.
Continue number 1, Nolinor 515, we check remarks, altimeter 2936, thank you. And next course, final course? 020, okay?
020, flaps 5.
You got it.
Okay, maintain 55 on the engines. What's the TAT, minus 5?
Minus 5.
Yeah, all right.
Flaps 5.
Check. Waypoint?
Check.
020, 020. Speed 170.
170. Okay.
Check.
Approach active.
Equalizer live.
Check.
Left capture.
Check.
Approach.
Check. RA live.
Check. Glide slope catcher, set miss approach.
5,000 feet is set.
Check.
Flaps 10. Disregard altitude.
Check. Yep.
Okay, gear down.
Flaps 15.
Flaps 15.
Speed 150.
150.
Nolinor 515, Tower, wind 030 at 12, clear to land, runway 02.
Good land, runway 02, Nolinor 515.
Let's go flaps 30.
Flaps 30. Final speed is 134.
134 is set landing checklist.
Landing checklist. Bleeds.
Configured.
Engine start switches.
Definition.
Speed brake.
Arm.
Landing gear.
Down.
Flaps.
30 green lights.
Landing checklist complete.
Check.
Okay, we're passing Irvog 3,679. It's on profile.
Check.
I'm heads out, okay?
Roger, I'm inside.
And we're cleared to land.
Lights is on.
Check. 1,000 feet.
Check.
Slowly starting to gain some ground.
Wind check 030 at 13.
135, Pat. On the speed.
Check 135.
500.
Okay, approach lights.
Check, continue.
Approaching minimums.
Check.
Threshold.
Check, yeah, continue.
200.
Stable, continue. Autopilot is engaged.
Confirm.
100. 50. 40. 30. 20. 10.
Speed brake up. Reverse or normal.
That's slippery. Okay, let the auto brake work.
Yeah, you got it. 80 knots.
Check.
Nolinor 515 tower, exit your choice and report with me off the runway, please.
Okay, we'll exit our choice. Report you off runway now on our 515.
78291 tower, are you ready?
8291, affirm.
78291
Good job.
tower, line up runway 02.
Yeah, it's very slippery. Tell her that we're going to take our time to exit because the runway is...
Okay, Bravo 1.
Yeah, we're going to exit Bravo 1, but we're going to go very slowly.
Okay. And tower for Nolinor 515. We'll be vacating via Bravo 1. We're going to go slow here. It's pretty slippery out there.
Okay, check that, thanks.
Brake check.
35 on the landing.
Alright, let's do that.
Wind check 030 at 13.
Okay, approach lights. Approaching minimums. Threshold. 200. Confirm.
100. 50. 40. 30. 20. 10.
Speed brake up. Reverse or normal.
That's slippery.
Yeah, you got it. 80 knots.
Nolinor 515 tower, exit your choice and report with me off the runway, please.
Okay, we'll exit our choice. Report you off runway now on our 515.
78291 tower.
approach lights. Approaching minimums. Threshold. 200. Confirm.
100. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
We break up. Reverse or normal.
That's slippery.
Yeah, you got it. 80 knots.
Nolinor 515, sorry, your choice. Report with me on runway 3.
Okay, like that, our choice report you off runway Nolinor 515.
Sorry, 1091 Tower, are you ready?
H91 is up.
Sorry, 1091 Tower, line up for later.
Line up there,
Yeah, it's clear.
That's good, that's good. Tick, tick, tick.
All right. Good job.
We made it.
That was a fun one. This light's coming up. Gonna go a little bit that way so I don't
Check.
go in the lights.
I'll give you a little shot. Clear right.
All right, APU is online. Let's have shutdown. Yeah, it's shutdown.
All right, guys. Well, welcome to Edmonton on this snowy afternoon. We hope you enjoy our journey with us, and it was our pleasure having you guys on board and joining Nolinor's operations. We'll see you next time.
Regardez la gauche avec moi, c'est 12,